Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gelato using just a blender. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, and half a cup of granulated sugar. For flavor, consider a teaspoon of vanilla extract or a 1/4 cup of your favorite fruit puree. Make sure your blender is clean and ready to go before you begin. Now, carefully pour all your prepared ingredients into the blender. Secure the lid tightly. Begin blending on a low setting, gradually increasing to high speed. Continue blending for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the mixture appears perfectly smooth and well combined. Pause occasionally to scrape down any ingredients clinging to the sides, ensuring everything is incorporated. Once blended, pour the smooth gelato mixture into a shallow, freezer-safe container. A glass or metal pan works wonderfully. Cover the container tightly with plastic wrap, pressing it directly onto the surface to prevent ice crystals. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours. For the best texture, stir the mixture every 30 to 60 minutes during the first few hours. After sufficient freezing, your homemade gelato is ready to enjoy. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Serve generous portions into bowls or cones. Feel free to add your favorite toppings, like fresh fruit, chocolate shavings, or a drizzle of caramel. Savor every spoonful of your delightful creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.